Oh, hi everyone. I'm from Houston, Texas. Right now, I'm traveling in San Antonio. It's super beautiful, hotel. So my job is helping the manufacturer in China sell their product directly to customer in America. So that is my work. And I'm also a celebrity and also a ruler. And I'm very obsessed with this money, this SMA program. So cool. So thank you for inviting me here.
Was there anything surprising, or when you found out that you were an accumulator, and also some of the things that we talk about, of sometimes penny pinching ways and being how frugality can really impact accumulators to grow their business. Was there anything that was a big aha for you around learning some of that?
Okay. Surprise. Actually, I thought I was more celebrity. I love to show off and kind of I like to buy expensive things, you know what I mean? And for the and the when I realized I'm an accumulator, then I see yes, I'm kind of like a very stingy on hiring people. You know what I mean? Because I'm also a ruler, I think I can do the best job for everyone else. So when I'm hiring someone, I always thinking that's such a wasting money, you know. But if I want to grow my business, I have to adapt that. So that is aha moment when I learned the SMA, and I said, yes, there's some certain people I do need to hire them to help. So the first thing I did is hire a CPA. I don't really love to dig around all the receipts and take care of my own accounting. So yeah, but that is my aha moment and also such a surprise to me. Okay.
Thank you, Susan. And I love that hiring a CPA, because I can imagine as an accumulator, sometimes that's like a double whammy of hiring, because it's like, I can do that part and I can do it quicker. And why should I hire someone? So what was the thing that made you go, oh yeah, that would make sense to hire out?
It's just wasting too much time. That's not help my business grow. That's just a part of the job that the business needed, but I'm not really enjoying to do that. You know what I mean? You just feel like wasting time sometimes. Yeah. So I'd like to outsource. Yeah.
Thanks, Susan. What you said just then was really interesting about the wasting time. And it's almost like we need to use our archetypes against ourselves sometimes to find that thing that is going to motivate us, instead of going, stop being so stingy. It's like, no, be stingy in the right way.
Yeah, exactly. Agree.
I want to hear a story from your childhood, because did your accumulator part show up in it? And I'm just going to turn my aircon off. Hang on. So even though I did business up top, I still am wearing my shorts below. I couldn't help it. I was like, should I wear some trousers for this? So, did your family have a nickname for you around your frugality? Were there accumulator habits that you could see coming up as a kid? Were there things that your friends teased you about around your frugality? Or is there something that really sticks out in your mind that really showcases you as a little baby accumulator?
Okay, I'm gonna go first. Actually, when you talk about the childhood, I'm a Chinese and my parents are super Asian, and I think they put this accumulator mindset inside of me. I was a celebrity. I think I born to be a celebrity, but my parents told me how to save money. I remember there's a story. Right now, I still feel hurt when I think about it. I want to buy a pair of jeans. I was a teenager, but my dad gave me a budget, like you how to buy it under $25 something. You know what I mean? That he is not like a super poor. He's not poor, but we also not super rich. He's regular middle class. I don't know why he had to be so stingy about the one I want to just buy one pair of jeans. So I was looking everywhere, and finally I found a pair I really love, but it's over the budget. So my dad won't buy for me. I was super upset and I almost cried inside the store, you know what I mean? So, and I also learned, oh yeah, we need to learn how to be budget. We need to learn to bargain shop, all the stuff. And that's like put me become more accumulator mindset. But actually, I think I born to be celebrity. My parents always told me, oh, you got to save money, you got to save money, stop wasting money, all the stuff, you know? So yeah, that's my story.
So the next thing I'd want to get everyone to ask, and so we're going Steph, Jenny, Lennis, Katie, and Susan, you're going last on this one, is finding out about some of your other archetypes and letting them come in. I want to hear what that has shifted and changed in your business. So Susan, you already talked to about how you hired someone in your business to take that out, but is there something that you've shifted around the clients you've worked with? And feel free to post this in the comments too if you think of things, you know, multiple things that you want to say around it. But it's like, did you shift your clients? Did you shift your marketing or your pricing or your business model? We've mentioned that before too. Knowing that you don't have to just be in your accumulator side all the time in your business.
So the thing is, I need to use a lot of software to run my business, a lot of analyze side, but I also can do it without the software. And the software charge is kind of like quite expensive, like $100 per month something. So my accumulator side is saying, no, just do it by yourself, spend more time, and you can analyze better. But actually, that's such a wasting time if I just pay $100 for using the software. You know what I mean? So then I learned from this program, and I say, oh yeah, don't be cheapo, like just do it, use the software, help like save more time and be more efficiency. So that's the thing. Yeah.
I love that. I love it because again, it makes logical sense, right? You go, if I'm super cheap in this, you have to just tell your brain, I'm not going to get the result. And, you know, you've mentioned that you're a celebrity. And so how else are you bringing your celebrity into your business?
My celebrity? I using my celebrity side a lot because I'm also a YouTuber. You know what I mean? I talk about how I help my client. That's why I attract more client to come to me. And also like what Katie said, talk about the increase the price. I also did that part. My accumulator side, like I can't charge more because I think that's not a bargain. No one gonna buy from me. So I made it such a done for you package. Like people think there's no brainer. Of course, it's gonna work with me, but I just overstretch myself. I was exhausted. That's also my ruler side come out. I think I can do it all, and then I have to use just like balance out, use all different archetype to help me maintain a mental health, so I can have more time to enjoy my life. You know what I mean? I don't want to just full blown all my time and energy is in my business. But I was at the beginning doing that, and I make less money and work more. You know, I really love what you said. I can like make more money and work less. That is really my goal. I even write down from my computer. My goal is work less, make more. You know? Since I changed that mindset, it helped me a lot. That's why I have time to travel, spend time with my kids. At beginning, really, there's zero time to enjoy. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Thank you, Susan. And again, what I'm hearing is you've got to like trick your logical brain into seeing the logic of changing your behavior and doing things in a different way. You've got to like do it like that. Otherwise, you'll sabotage it.
Yeah, I will sabotage.
And you can see the logic in, if I do YouTube and let my celebrity come out, if I invest in this way, it will help me.
That's why everyone should take this program, because you made it such a logic. So that's why I can follow your suggestion. You know what I mean? You made it such like easy to follow. Otherwise, I want against my instance if I think, oh, that is wasting time. But you teach us how to use different archetype to make it make sense. You know, I need to do things make sense. Otherwise, I want to do. That's the thing. Yeah.
So one thing for me is I am not precise. You guys know this, right? I never know the dates. I never know the details of things. I never know how much things are going to cost because Mark deals with that and I cannot keep it in my brain. So I'm always surprised that accumulators buy from me. I really am. And but the last round we did SMA, accumulators were the top. And they're always in the top 3, which really surprises me because surely I annoy your accumulator side.
Remember, I took a test like to do the thing, and you showed me a small video. Talk about congratulations, you are accumulator. Remember, after I saw the video, I just found more. Or what other archetype? Because the top 3, the accumulator and the celebrity are very close. So I want to know more about the different archetype. That's why I signed up. And plus, I already in your money bootcamp program. That's changed my mindset a lot. So I love you and I trust you. That's why I bought your program. And another thing is you talk about, there's a money back guarantee. Accumulator will do things like that. If I don't like it, I can get a refund. So nothing to lose. That's also a part like I would like to try. Yeah. That's why I bought the course.
What really annoys you about the entrepreneurial world or the personal development world, and what's something that always turns you off from buying a program? Like what are your red flags, or what are your things where you just go, oh my God, I don't trust that person? And then I have a question as well, if anyone wants to speak to this. Is it important to you to know that, for example, I have a marketing degree? What turns you off? What's really important to you that we haven't heard so far? Like what makes you trust people and what makes you immediately skeptical? Because there are a lot of people in this world who are so wishy-washy, and it can be really annoying. So I'd love to hear some specifics. Who's got something that they can think of straight away?
Yeah, I want to say something, Denise. I think I don't like people when they are talking about themselves too much, like they have how many degrees and how many great things they done. That's gonna turn me off because I don't have a lot of degree and I don't have those ability to catch up with you. You know what I mean? But Denise, you made it so down to the earth. I can relate it to you somehow. You know what I mean? Like we are completely different country, different race, but I feel so relatable. I think, if you shared a lot of your story, your struggles, and how you change your mindset and turn to be you, that's make me feel connected. And the connection is really a big part for me to purchase from someone.
For Sacred Money Archetypes, it feels a little bit more of an urgent decision. So does that freak you out? And I've heard from accumulators, they hate things like countdown timers and bonuses going away, but sometimes that's the thing that makes you guys do it. Otherwise you might get stuck in analysis paralysis for a long time. So is there stuff like that you kind of, it triggers you, but it also makes you feel like, okay, I'm ready now? And where do you buy? Do you buy on the webinar or do you buy the last minute? That's really interesting.
I know this program like before you offer, and I was waiting for an invitation, like a code or promotion, because I want to buy it for full price. You know what I mean? Like I need you make a deal, then I will jump on. That's how I bought it. Yeah.
Who here has Googled Denise Duffield-Thomas Money Bootcamp discount code? Has anyone tried to see if there's any? No. That's fascinating to see, of going,
no, I think I did. I think I did. I remember I was very procrastinating buying your money bootcamp because that was the first program I was entering. I did. And I remember sending me an email and the code expired. So I'm waiting for another code. I wouldn't buy it for full price. And then I did Google that. Actually, I did that. But not for this SMA, the money bootcamp. Yeah.
Yeah. So then maybe part of that is, on the sales page to say, you don't need to look for a discount code. Like this is where you're going to get the best price and the best deal. So don't, get anxiety thinking that it's, you're going to get, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe I have a better deal. I was waiting for a better deal or something. You just have to tell this the best deal you can get. There's what a person making a way to sell is like she will increase the price when there's certain people in. So I have to jump on the first round because I want to get the best deal. Yeah, that's also a way to sell. But I don't like it. I hate it. I feel like if I pay over the price than other, I feel so ripped off. Even same program, I pay more. Like I can't stand that. Yeah.
Yeah. But mentioned to you guys that I was investing in a musical, And I sent it to a couple of my friends who I thought might be interested. And they were like, we'll let you go first and then we'll see the returns. And so do you not tend to buy, to buy programs the first time that they run? Is it useful? And, this is good for your own stuff too. Is it useful to know, oh, she's run this before, she's run this for 10 years? Because Mavericks will hear that and go, it's been around for 10 years. No, I'm out. It will kind of be like, well, it's not that new and exciting, or it's not that shiny. And celebrities might think that too and go, no, I want the new and sexy and exciting. I don't want the stability of a long program, or there'll be too many people in there now and I won't get attention or something like that. So yeah.
I want to say something about that. I love you updating every year. You know what I mean? Like, I feel I got something new, but you also have the experience. That's really helped me to trust this program. Also, you upgrade the Money Bootcamp and you made it so nice, all the videos. And I think that's really cool. And also, I want to talk about a little bit about payment plan. As an accumulator, I hate to pay extra fees for those finance. So that's also helped me buy, because I have the money to pay in full. I think I got it a deal from the others, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. I will see you in this round of SMA. I can't wait. And thank you again for your time and your generosity. Yeah.
So, are you a ruler, a connector, or a maverick? Hang on, maybe you're more of a romantic or a celebrity. Take the money personality quiz right now and find out which of the 8 money archetypes you are. And then I'm going to teach you how to profit from your strengths and make money in your business based on your natural personality. Click below and find out more.